Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use SeaArt AI tool. Here you can go and type SeaArt, this one, and you can open this website SeaArt.ai. This one is the official website, and here you can see you can easily create these type of designs. Now you need to go here and create your free account. Simply you can go and click on create AI characters, and then create your free account. Click here register button, and then you can sign in with Google, Discord, Facebook, phone, email. Let me select this one. Select your email account, and then click on start free trial, and you can close it. After that, here you can see on the left side you can create characters, AI apps, videos, as well as you can easily create images. Here you can go and click on create image. Now let me type top 10 freelancing platforms to make money online. On the left side, here you can select the settings. So here you can select the image ratio. I think this one is perfect for different thumbnails, and then you can select image quantity. Let me select 1, then click generate button. Now here you can see it is starting. And within few seconds we will get an image. So guys, here you can see this one is the final result. You can also generate videos. Simply you can go and save your image in your laptop. So this one is ready. Okay, that looks perfect.